Hi beautiful, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know I've been gone for a while and I apologize for that. Let's just say life has been lifing. Boho braids has been a trending hairstyle for a while now, and it has had everyone in a chokehold, and we can see why, because it's such a gorgeous style. Let's style this boho braid wig together. There's just something about boho braids that makes it such a unique hairstyle. Maybe it's the curls, or maybe it's just the fact that you get braids and curls together in one hairstyle. For this install, I'll be styling a 6x6 closure wig in the length 18 inches. I'm really starting to fall in love with shorter length hairs for some reason. I don't know why. I just feel like short length hairs right now make me feel grown, like I'm in a grown woman era, and I absolutely love it here. To style this unit, I have applied some foundation on the lace, and then I proceed to put on my wig and get it to the right position for where I want my parting space to be. You can choose to wear it as a side or center part, but for this install, I particularly preferred a side part.
To buy you that Gucci, that Fendi, buy you that bag, that Givenchy, I go buy you that Benz, yeah, that Bentley. Girl, I know feel it, take kiss on your dimple. I know feel it, to love all your body. I love the way that you keep it simple, keep it simple. Girl, I know feel it, baby girl, I know feel it. Baby, say me not feel it, tell me not feel it, tell me not feel it.
After positioning it for a side part, I then proceed to add a little bit of lace glue. And for this, I'll be using Got2b glue and Got2b freeze spray. So I push my hair back so it doesn't disturb me while I'm applying my glue, and then proceed to apply my glue. And why I'm using just this spiking glue and the freeze spray is because I intend to take my wig off at the end of the day. You can use a stronger lace glue if you want your wig to stay on for much longer, but for me this was fine.
Girl, I know feel it, baby girl, I know feel it. Baby, say me not feel it, yeah, me not feel it, yeah, me not feel it. Girl, I know feel it, baby girl, I know feel it. Baby, say me not feel it, yeah, me not feel it, yeah, me not feel it. Girl, I know feel it, baby girl, I know feel it. Baby, say me not feel it, yeah, me not feel it, yeah, me not feel it. Girl, I know feel it.
And for this install, I only used one layer of lace glue. That's because, as I said earlier, I will be taking this wig off, and I wait for the glue to turn clear. Once it's clear like this, then you can put the lace down and press it into your skin. So I did that, and after doing that, I used my Got2b freeze spray over the top of the lace like so. This is just to secure it further, give it a better hold. So I put that on, and after putting this on, after applying the lace glue, I decided to hold it down with a scarf. If you have an elastic band, or you have a pop socks, I actually prefer pop socks, to be honest. If you have pop socks or elastic band, anyone you have close by, you can use that as well. So I just used this scarf to secure it further, and after tying the scarf on it, you want to wait for another 5 to 10 minutes to ensure that it is, well glued before you take off the scarf or elastic band. After about 10 minutes, I then take off the scarf. And once I've taken off the scarf, I'm about to now cut off the excess lace. So I push my baby hairs up into my hair, and then I use a razor. I prefer this particular razor because it has this zigzag type of blade. So I then proceed to cut off the excess lace. And once that is done, I check to see if any part of my lace is still lifting. Cut off the excess lace on that side, and then I go in with my glue on the parts that are lifting, because try as you might, sometimes it doesn't hold all the parts of the lace down, so you have to go back in with your glue and apply it again, just a little bit.
Oh, your head, I want to love you for days. I want to take you places. I want to do dirty things on your body, everything. Girl, I know if you wait. Baby girl, I know if you wait. Baby, say me not if you wait. Yeah, me not if you wait. Yeah, me not if you wait. Girl, I know if you wait. Baby girl, I know if you wait. Baby, say me not if you wait.
And once that is done, you want to tie your scarf on it again, just to fully seal everything in once again. So you do that and you wait for another 10 minutes or thereabouts.
Girl, I know if you wait. Baby girl, I know if you wait. Baby, say me not if you wait. Yeah, me not if you wait. Yeah, me not if you wait. But Monday again. But Monday again. But Monday again. But Monday again. But Monday again is a bad Monday again. But Monday again. But Monday again is a bad Monday again. Bad Monday again is a bad Monday again.
After about 10 minutes, I took off the scarf in order to style my baby hairs. And for this particular styling, I won't be using any gel. I've come to really love soft baby hairs, and to do that, I only use hair mousse instead of using like a hair gel. Or you can still use hair gel if you want to like really hold it in place. But if you want like a softer baby hair look, you should just use hair mousse. It does the job perfectly.
Girl, I know if you wait to buy you that Gucci, that Fendi, buy you that bag, that Givenchy, buy you that Benz, yeah, that Bentley. Girl, I know if you wait to buy you that Gucci, that Fendi, buy you that bag, that Givenchy, I go buy you that Benz, yeah, that Bentley. Girl, I know if you wait to kiss on your dimple. I know if you wait to love all your body. I love the way that you keep it simple, keep it simple. Girl, I know if you wait. Baby girl, I know if you wait. Baby, say me not if you wait. Tell me not if you wait. Tell me not if you wait.
I then go over my lace with a little bit of foundation, just to ensure that the lace matches my skin tone at the very front.
Girl, I know if you wait. Girl, I know if you wait. Say I know fit. Girl, I know fit. Girl, I know if you wait. Girl, I know if you wait to rub on your body and touch you in places. You make me crazy, I'm losing my senses. You like sugar, you sweet all your edges.
And finally, I go over everything with more hair mousse. This is really good for the curls on the hair, just to help the curls, look more defined. So I put that all over my hair.
Me not feel it, yeah, me not feel it. Girl, I know feel it. Baby girl, I know feel it. Baby say me not feel it, yeah, me not feel it, yeah, me not feel it. Girl, I know feel it. Baby girl, I know feel it. Baby say me not feel it, yeah, me not feel it, yeah, me not feel it. Girl, I know feel it. Baby girl, I know feel it.
And then the very last thing I do is to go over it with my Got To Be Free Spray. I know you're probably wondering why I'm using Got To Be Free Spray. Got To Be Free Spray is actually a hold, and it is meant to hold curls in place or your hairstyle in place. So spraying this all over my hair ensures that the curls last longer. So you're welcome. And this is the final look, ladies. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And for reference, this is a 6x6 18 inches boho braid wig, and the curls are also human hair, although we have other options for it. We have human hair blend options for it as well, and we have other lengths available with other lace systems, from frontals to full lace wigs or closures. I'll be leaving the link in the description box below. If anyone is interested, you can make a purchase or place an order. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please do not forget to like, subscribe, turn on post notifications, or leave a comment below, and I'll be seeing you in my next one. Bye, guys.
To buy you that Gucci, that Fendi, buy you that bag I give Benchi, buy you that Benz, yeah, that Bentley. Girl, I know if you wait to buy you that Gucci, that Fendi, buy you that bag like Givenchy. I go buy you that Benz, yeah, that Bentley.